Our solar photocatalytic system works by leveraging the power of solar energy. It can eliminate a wide range of organic pollutants, chemical pollutants, and also it can eliminate the microbes present in the water. The water passes through a filtration unit where pollutants are retained, and from there, the clean water is harvested in the clear water tank, which is safe for drinking.
Funding enabled us to purchase and transport components from suppliers. We will also use part of the funding to fabricate mobility structures for the mill and mounting structures for the solar panels. Finally, we will use some of the funding to take the prototype to Narok for customer demonstration and market research.
Let's see if the water will come out.
See, the water comes.
So yeah,
Water our flowers
exactly.
from the two valves here and here.
Okay, this is our curry frying machine, and when you open the chamber, you have a curved blade that helps to stir the curry during frying. So we have a battery, and this is our battery chamber. So the electric motor is connected to the battery. The function of the Dixie heater is to heat this pan. At this place, we have the outlet chamber where the processed curry comes out.
The whole experience showed us how innovation can be used to solve real community challenges like energy access and food security using already available resources. Working on this prototype increased my passion for renewable energy and sustainable engineering.